National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Dickson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northern Chetham County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 15 miles northwest of White Bluff, or 16 miles west of Ashland City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Coopertown around 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pleasant View and Cheatham Dam. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 17 and 32. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.